From majestic wildlife to untouched landscapes, we'll uncover the importance of conservation and what we can do to protect this precious planet we call home. Let's dive in and experience the wonders of Wild Earth together. Wild Earth is not just a beautiful spectacle. It's a delicate web of life, where every creature plays an essential role in maintaining the balance of nature. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life found on Earth, across animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms. Each of these species, no matter how small, contributes to the health and stability of ecosystems. The greater the biodiversity in an ecosystem, the better its resilience to changes, whether from human activity or natural events. For example, rainforests are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet, housing over 50% of all plant and animal species. They are often called the lungs of the Earth because they absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, helping regulate the planet's climate. However, human activity like deforestation and pollution has placed this intricate system at risk. By losing biodiversity, we are weakening ecosystems, which can lead to the collapse of essential services such as pollination, clean water, and nutrient cycling. Protecting and preserving biodiversity is not just about saving cute animals, it's about maintaining the very systems that support life on Earth. Predators are often misunderstood in the wild. Seen as fierce and dangerous, they are sometimes viewed as a threat rather than an essential part of the ecosystem. But in reality, predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their habitats. They help regulate prey populations, ensuring that no single species dominates and depletes resources. Take the example of wolves in Yellowstone National Park. When wolves were reintroduced to the park in the mid-1990s after decades of absence, the ecosystem underwent a dramatic transformation. Without wolves, elk populations had exploded, causing overgrazing of vegetation and damaging riverbanks and forests. With wolves back in the picture, elk populations were kept in check, allowing vegetation to recover, which in turn stabilized riverbanks and improved water quality. Predators maintain this balance across ecosystems worldwide, from the African savannas where lions keep herbivores in check, to the oceans where sharks play a similar role. Without predators, ecosystems can become imbalanced, leading to overpopulation of certain species, depletion of resources, and ultimately, the collapse of those systems. Understanding their role is critical to appreciating the full picture of Wild Earth. Wild Earth is facing an unprecedented crisis. Species are going extinct at a rate 1,000 times higher than the natural background rate, largely due to human activities. Habitat destruction, poaching, climate change, and pollution have all contributed to the loss of countless species over the past century. One of the most effective ways to fight against extinction is through conservation efforts. These initiatives can range from creating protected areas where wildlife can thrive, to breeding programs designed to boost the numbers of endangered species. For example, the giant panda, once on the brink of extinction, has seen its population slowly increase due to intense conservation efforts, including habitat preservation and breeding programs in China. Another important strategy is rewilding, which involves restoring land to its natural state and reintroducing species that have been driven out or extinct in the area. This can revitalize ecosystems, making them more resilient and able to support a wide array of species once again. Conservation isn't just about saving individual species, it's about maintaining ecosystems as a whole. Every species plays a role, and losing even a single one can have ripple effects that reach far beyond what we can see. As humans, our actions have a profound impact on the natural world, and one of the most powerful ways we can protect Wild Earth is by adopting sustainable living practices. Sustainable living means making conscious choices that reduce our environmental footprint, allowing nature to regenerate and thrive. Simple choices like reducing waste, recycling, using renewable energy sources, and supporting eco-friendly products can make a significant difference. For example, reducing plastic consumption can prevent thousands of tons of waste from ending up in the oceans, where it harms marine life. Choosing sustainably sourced food, like seafood certified by the Marine Stewardship Council, helps protect overfished species and promotes healthier marine ecosystems. Sustainable living is also about rethinking the way we use resources, such as water and energy. Small changes, like conserving water by using efficient appliances, or choosing renewable energy options like solar or wind, can collectively lead to substantial environmental benefits. When more people embrace sustainable living, it creates a ripple effect, pushing industries and governments to adopt greener practices as well. By living more sustainably, we're not just protecting wild Earth for ourselves, we're ensuring its beauty and diversity for future generations. Technology is playing an increasingly significant role in conserving wild Earth and its ecosystems. From drones to track poachers to satellite imagery used for monitoring deforestation, the intersection of technology and conservation has become a powerful tool in protecting wildlife. One of the most exciting advancements is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze large datasets on animal movements, populations, and habitats. This data helps conservationists understand trends and make better-informed decisions about where to focus their efforts. Camera traps and remote sensors have revolutionized wildlife monitoring, allowing researchers to observe animals in their natural habitats without disturbing them. These devices are used to track endangered species like tigers, elephants, and rhinos, providing valuable insights into their behaviors and habitats. Meanwhile, GPS tracking collars are used to monitor the movements of species such as wolves, helping conservationists understand migration patterns and develop strategies to protect their environments. Drones are also becoming a critical part of conservation. They're being used to map inaccessible areas, track wildlife, and even combat illegal poaching in real time. These technologies are crucial in the fight to preserve wild Earth for future generations. Wild Earth is a living, breathing system full of wonders, but it is also vulnerable. The beauty of biodiversity, the balance maintained by predators, the crucial role of conservation, and the growing potential of sustainable living and technology are all pieces of the puzzle in preserving our planet's ecosystems. Each of us plays a part in protecting these natural wonders. By educating ourselves, making mindful choices, and supporting conservation efforts, we can ensure that wild Earth continues to thrive for generations to come. Together, we have the power to make a difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the wonders of wild Earth.